Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Teacher Mahal. Hi, I am Julia, female, 20 years old, turning 21 this September 2025. I just want to share our love story to convince some people that not all stories like ours is unacceptable. I have a girlfriend and we treat each other na parang mag-asawa. We are on our 5th year anniversary this June 2025. My girlfriend is turning 37 this September. We became official when we were 15 and 31 last June 2020. Yes, 16 years ang age gap namin. And she was my subject teacher that time. I'm very close sa mga teachers sa dati kong school dahil may relative ako na may mataas na position sa school na yon. Una ko siyang nakita nung grade 8 pa lang ako. That moment, alam ko na agad na bagong teacher siya since matagal na ako sa school na yon. Since the first day that I saw her, I already had the biggest crush on her. Pero hindi ko yon pinaalam kasi nakakahiya na nagkakagusto ako sa teacher. To cut the story short, noong 2020, pandemic time, kakatapos ko lang mag-grade 9. Nagkausap at nagkapalagayan kami ng loob and pumayag siyang ligawan ko siya. It did not take long na ma-fall din siya sa akin. Sinabi namin sa mom ko and my relatives sa school kung anong meron kami. They were surprised, pero tinanggap din naman nila agad kami. Ang sabi lang nila, no sexual activities allowed until I turn 16. Pero syempre, minsan, nag-overnight ako sa girlfriend ko. At sa kulit ko, hindi na yun nasusunod. There were times na magkatabi kaming dalawa habang nag-online class since subject teacher ko nga siya. Naka-off cam lang para hindi halata na magkasama kami. No one in school knew na kami, except for some teachers. Pero syempre, may ilan na nakakahalata. Ang sinabi ko lang is close lang kami and crush ko lang si ma'am. Nothing more than that. Noong makagraduate ako ng grade 10 from that school, sa ibang school na ako nag-senior high at nag-college. Pero kahit sa ibang school na ako pumapasok, araw-araw pa rin akong pumupunta sa dati kong school para bisitahin ang teacher girlfriend ko. Right now, I am an incoming third-year education college student. Once I graduate, I will also work for the same school kung saan siya nag-work and where our love story started. Suportado naman ang relationship naming dalawa ng lahat ng mga kakilala namin, including both of our families and the teachers in that school. And magka-live-in kami since 2021, shortly after maging kami in 2020. So I hope nagkaroon kayo ng respect for a relationship like ours and not only see the illegal part.